Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sydney. This video is actually intended for the members of my Poshmark group that I recently started on Facebook. I just wanted to make this video for you guys to welcome you to my group, Poshboss HQ, which stands for headquarters, Poshboss headquarters. I really wanted to make a place, a community where people can learn about Poshmark, where they can learn from each other, where they can ask questions. I did not want it to be a place where people were advertising their closets constantly and what they have for sale. It is absolutely nothing like that. It is specifically for learning about Poshmark and how to grow your Poshmark business, how to make sales, how to be consistent with things, whether you are doing this full-time or part-time, whether you are new or an experienced seller. It's truly my belief that no matter how experienced you are, there's always something that you can learn, especially regarding Poshmark. I've been on Poshmark since 2014. So a little over 4 years now, I have been selling on Poshmark. I did go full time with it. I do sell on other platforms as well, but Poshmark is my main platform. I have sold on other platforms. I prefer Poshmark to all of them, hands down. I think it is truly a great platform. I think a lot of time has gone into it to make it really a positive platform to sell on. I truly believe that Poshmark cares about their sellers, and I will promote Poshmark anytime, anywhere, over anything else. But anyway, I wanted to make this video to welcome you to my Facebook group. If you have not joined the Facebook group but are interested in Poshmark, I will link it down below. I do ask that you create a Poshmark account. There are 3 questions that I ask when you join the group, and I do ask that you answer those questions or I will not be able to let you into the group. They are very important. They are very simple, very basic. They are just to kind of weed out people who are not really interested in Poshmark, who are just kind of joining Facebook groups. I don't want it to become a group that is just overcrowded with people who are just going around joining Facebook groups. So to join the group, I only ask, it is completely free to join the group. I only ask that you create a Poshmark account. You can use my referral code, which is Sydney Elle. I'll put that here and down in the description box. That will give you a $5 credit on your account, which you can use towards your purchase that you have to make to become a Poshmark ambassador, which basically says that your closet is certified compliant by Poshmark and you will make more sales because of that. So my referral code is down in the description box. I'll put it here. Make sure that you use that so that you can use that $5 towards a purchase to become a Poshmark ambassador and Poshmark certifying your profile. But yes, anyway, I wanted to create this community of sellers. You know, whether you are a stay-at-home mom or somebody trying to save money for a car, or you're just trying to supplement your income, or you want to be a full-time Poshmark seller, everyone is welcome in the group. I think it's becoming a great community of people. We are at this date a little over 500 members, which is crazy to me that it's gotten so many members in such a short period of time. I think it's been up about 2 weeks. I am working on a directory of the Poshmark closets, which I will be posting in the group very soon. There are several of you who have requested to be a part of that directory, so it's taking me a little bit of time, but I will have that up. But anyway, I'm so grateful to have all of you in my Facebook group, and this video is for you guys, and I will link the group down below. If you are finding this video through YouTube and would like to join, just check out the description box down below. My blog is also down there, my Instagram. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments for me. But that is what this video is for, and I am so happy to have all of you guys in the Poshmark community and in my little Facebook Poshboss HQ family. So that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in the group. Thanks so much. Bye.